In this video, I'll show you how to play split screen mode in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So launch the game and select the multiplayer mode. Then from here, you should see a prompt under your name. Add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. So I'll add another controller. So let me just power it on. And then from here, select the profile that you'd like to use for split screen. So choose that. And then once you've added it, all you have to do is press X on the new controller to join split screen. So I'll do that. And then give it a few seconds for the other player to be added. And there you go. You can see now that particular player has been added. Now, once the player has been added, simply launch any match. So let me just launch a random match. And then it will now scan for available players to play with. So let's just wait. And now once the match is launched, you can now see you're in split screen mode. So you can now play with your friend or someone else in the split screen mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.